Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports, where we've acquired this very rare Mercedes. It's the CLA estate in lovely condition, lovely graphite grey colour. Park distance control. It's the AMG Sport, so it's got the full AMG body styling kit. Diamond cut alloys. It's only just arrived, so they're going to be refurbs. They'll be like new. Privacy glass to the rear. Rear park distance control. So the larger rear diffuser being the AMG Sport. Electric tailgate, that's all in lovely condition. A little protector there, parcel shelf, electric. As you can see, lovely condition. Electric windows, mirrors, AMG interior. Start the car up. Starts up lovely. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, automatic headlights, satellite navigation, park distance control, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack for your Bluetooth, climate control, air conditioning, different driving style modes. Lovely car to drive. Done 107,375 miles. DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.